It may seem like earnings season is done, but it's not. There's plenty of retailers set to go this week, and we're going to bring you all of them on Zacks.com. But I scrolled through to see who has the best charts, and these five companies are what I consider to be the king of the retailers, and they're all going on the same week, which is kind of interesting. But these are the ones you should be watching. They got great track records, and they've rebounded off those retail lows of last year. But let's find out what they are. Okay, the first one is Michael Kors. Now, this one really went into the doghouse in 2017, as you can see. And obviously, compared to 2014, I mean, look at this decline. But shares are off those lows and are rebounding. They've always had this great track record of meeting or beating, and they're coming off of two big beats the last two quarters. I think the street's been a little surprised at the quicker turnaround here in the handbag market, and that's something you should be watching again. Here, they only had those two misses back in 2014, and then the lows in 2017, not the lowest of the lows, those were in 2016, but they rebounded off of the sell-off into 2017, and it's been off ever since. Now, PVH is big with the department stores. Obviously, a lot of their brands are carried there. So department stores have been reporting good earnings, so I'm expecting similar from PVH, but this is definitely one of the big apparel retailers you should be watching. And then we're going to get one of my favorite stocks that also isn't really much talked about, Burlington stores. Now, they're not just about the coats. Everyone remembers them as Burlington Coat Factory. They carry way more than just the coats, but they've got a real good thing going here, as no misses since 2013. And those shares at new all-time highs here and still surging. This is one of the few that didn't really sell off much in that 2017 sell-off. So just plenty of momentum, and we'll see if they can keep it together in this quarter as well. And then Lulu, back on the best of the retail charts. Yes, for many years, as you can see, those shares were stuck in this narrow range between 40 and 80, basically. Only the two misses, so they've been real consistent on beating. And now here we are, shares busting out again. It does appear that this growth story that was huge with Lulu might be coming back. I've leisure wear as Lulu makes. They're buying it from the hot athleisure area. And then we're going to have they are coming off a rare miss last quarter, as you can see, that one red arrow, and then they just had the other one back in 2017, not because they're on the apparel side. As you know, comps just can't keep repeating the 15% going for multiple years. But they're still expected to do somewhere between 8 and 10 or so. That is still the highest among the retailers. So Ulta's still among the best brands. It's got the combination of both brick and mortar and the online going. So I really like it. Obviously, as I said, I own it, but we'll see. We'll see if there's still too much expectations built in here. So as you can see, a lot of these retailers up off those lows. It's been a good time to own the retailers over the past year, but will that continue throughout the rest of this year? We don't know, but these guys are bringing up the rear of the retail group here in this earnings season. So it's always interesting to see what they say about guidance going forward, because it's a little bit further along in the quarter now. But that's what I'm going to be watching. As I said, it's not all doom and gloom in the retail side, so these are going to be some hot names this week. Be sure to tune in for all of our earnings reports, articles, and videos, all during earnings season. I brought them to you all this earnings season, and I'll be back for the second quarter when that begins in mid-July. So be sure to tune in. All of our videos can be found on Zacks.com, of course, and also on YouTube. So check them out and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.